Here we are at the Trendsetters Jewelry Awards 2014, and right alongside me is a gorgeous beauty who is largely known for her absolutely fantastic interaction with cricketing experts on the cricketing field. And here she is right alongside me. Hi.
Hi, how are you guys doing?
How does it feel? I'm doing great. And after seeing you, even better.
It feels great to be part of this show. I think I got the most different and exquisite piece. So I had a lot of fun pretending I was a butterfly on the ramp and yeah, I enjoyed myself.
Are you a jewelry person inherently?
Not so much, but I have to say that I like to do special pieces like this, which I'm wearing on my hand. It's a ring. I always do ear cuffs and rings and the odd accessory because I think Rochelle Rouse is a different kind of girl. But yeah, so I think today it just so happened that I got the perfect piece that suits my personality as well.
Rochelle, I must say that's massive, isn't that? I mean, that's beautiful as well.
But which girl doesn't like big and bling, huh?
Absolutely, absolutely. From the cricketing field to ramp, how do you see the transition?
Well, actually, for me, it's been a back and forth battle because with Miss India, I think I was born on the ramp, but I've always been a talker. So I think I've always been split between both the worlds. I enjoy doing a little bit of both. And yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
Which one is more difficult, talking about cricket, explaining it on the ground, or talking about jewelry and fashion and design?
Oh, for me, I think jewelry would be more difficult because I'm still learning about jewelry. I've always been a fan of cricket and I love cricket. So I'd have to say cricket's the easy one for me. I'm well versed and I enjoy it. Jewelry is part of becoming a woman, I would say, and I'm learning about it. So it's more of an intellectual journey for me right now.
How do you define style? What is style for you?
I think style is a combination of being yourself and making a statement. If you're not confident that you is enough to turn heads in the room, well, then put a pretty butterfly on your hand and then you'll be the biggest butterfly in the room.
Biggest butterfly. And tell me, what does it take to look the way you do?
It takes a little bit of discipline. I love to eat. I'm a big foodie. So I eat small portions of what I love. And I do a lot of Pilates. I do a lot of playing with my dog. And I do a lot of talking. That's also a lot of exercise.
Okay, tell me, how excited are you for this season's IPL? Are we going to see you talking about IPL, talking about cricket in general on the field with the experts?
Well, when it comes to any specific tournament, I don't want to say, but I am definitely not done with cricket. You guys will be seeing me on the cricket pitch for sure, but just which cricket pitch and in which country and for which tournament is the big question mark.
Okay,
surprise, surprise, you'll see me soon.
Surprise, surprise. Absolutely. Sensuous surprise, we must say. And on that note, we must end this interview. Thank you. Thanks a lot for talking to us.
Thank you, thank you.